Imagine a world where money moves faster than thought, where wealth is managed not by bankers behind glass towers, but by intelligent systems that never sleep, never falter, never forget. What if the future of finance was not in human hands, but in artificial intelligence? Picture this: cities where payments happen invisibly, where algorithms predict your needs before you even ask, where investments are guided by intelligence vast as the oceans. The old stock ticker fades into memory, replaced by glowing rivers of data, flowing faster than any human could read. Artificial intelligence is rewriting the language of money. Algorithms analyze billions of transactions in real time, predicting risks, detecting fraud, and guiding investments with precision. From high-frequency trading to AI-powered personal finance, technology trends are transforming the way wealth is created. Digital transformation isn't just about apps and screens, it's about trust. AI can detect patterns invisible to human eyes, helping prevent global financial crises. It makes loans faster, investments smarter, and banking accessible to all. But this AI future also asks a question. In a world where machines manage money, what becomes of human judgment, intuition, and the future of jobs in finance? Yet, finance is not just numbers. It is human dreams, hopes, and fears. When an AI predicts your future, who decides your destiny? When algorithms decide who receives a loan, what happens to empathy, to human fairness? The future of jobs will shift, but not vanish. Humans may no longer shuffle papers, but they will guide, question, and give meaning to the digital transformation. For what is wealth, if not a mirror of our values? Perhaps the future of money is not about wealth, but wisdom. A world where AI innovation doesn't replace us, but enhances us. Where finance is not a system of fear, but a force for freedom. As the digital horizon expands, the question remains, not how AI will change money, but how it will change us. The future is closer than we think, and it is already learning. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.